Hey guys, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this super cute and easy confetti manicure. This nail art design is colorful, fun, and perfect for parties. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. To begin this manicure, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help to adhere the polish onto your nail bed, and it will protect your nails from staining. Next, you'll need a nude nail polish. This will help to even out the color in your nail bed, and it will provide the perfect base for the design. For the fun confetti pieces, I'm using this little jar full of colorful circle confetti. I'll link in the description box where you can find it. You can also check your local craft or party supply store to see if they have any tiny pieces of confetti there. To pick up the confetti, I really like to use a wax pencil. It picks up the pieces so easily. If you don't have one of these, you can also use a toothpick. Just add a little bit of clear nail polish to the tip and you're good to go. And now for the fun part. Add a second coat of the nude nail polish, and then start adding in the confetti across the tip of your nail. Work quickly while the nail polish is still wet and tacky. I like to alternate the big pieces and the little pieces as I'm going across the tip. Then add a few pieces going upwards towards the cuticle for a gradient effect. When you're happy with the result, you can finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your confetti and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more nail tutorials here on CutePolish by clicking the info card in the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.